IRS Code 971 on your transcript means that the IRS has sent you a notice, generally indicating that more time or information is needed to resolve an issue. Notices can cover a wide range of topics, including tax return adjustments, document requests, and account changes. To respond to a transcript code, TC 971 notice, you should review the notice details, determine if you agree with the notice, draft your response, and then remit your communication to the IRS. What to do when TC 971 is on your transcript? If you see TC 971 on your tax transcript and have not received a notice in the mail, you can log into the online account where you pulled your transcript and view your tax notices. You visit the IRS website to create an online account if you don't have one. How to respond to an IRS Code 971 notice. When you receive the notice issued for TC 971, follow the process below. Step 1. Review the details of the notice issued for IRS Code 971. If you use an outside tax preparer who will be assisting with your response, ensure you send all pages of the notice to them. The notice should have the following parts, which will be relevant to your response. IRS notice number and issue date. You may need this information for subsequent correspondence with the IRS. IRS contact information. The IRS should provide a phone number or address to use for inquiries or more information. Explanation of issue. The IRS notice should explain why the notice is being sent, changes, if any, that have been made to your tax return, and instructions for next steps. Here are some common reasons for a TC 971 notice. Computational errors, math mistakes. In these cases, the IRS may have adjusted the calculations made on your return. Missing information. The IRS may require additional documents to support the information presented on your return. Refund adjustments. If your refund has been modified, the notice should explain the adjustment. Assessment of additional tax. If additional tax has been assessed by the IRS, the notice will detail the balance due and separately identify any components allocable to penalties or interest. Amended tax return. A TC 971 notice frequently has a description that says amended tax return or claim forwarded for processing. This may mean that the return needs manual review by an IRS agent and is queuing for review. Notice of intent to levy. This notice indicates that the IRS plans to seize personal assets to satisfy a balance due unless the requested amount is paid in full by the date indicated on the letter.